Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is Unit 9, Reading, Discussion plus Make Sentence. I repeat, our today's topic is Unit 9, Reading, Discussion and Make Sentence. Dear students, look here, this is our lecture number 6 and SW number 4. This is our lecture number 6 and SW number 5th. I repeat, this is our lecture number 6 and SW number 5th on our annual term syllabus. So, dear students, before going to the main session, I am telling you, all of you open your buzzword book. All of you open your, so this book called this buzzword book, and open your book page number 95. So, I hope that all of you have opened your buzzword book page number 95. Our today's lesson is very interesting. It is the coconut. I hope that all of you have opened your book page number 95. Dear students, now look at both. Look here, the title of our reading is The Coconut. The title is The Coconut. So give your attention. We will read the reading session at first, and then we will make meaningful sentences with the following words. Okay? Now give your attention. The Coconut. Anush and Ravi. Look at the two names. It is Anush and Ravi sat on the steps in front of their house near the beach. They were cleaning some pebbles that they had found on the beach. So dear students, look at the first picture. It is seen that Anush and Ravi sat on the steps. So look here, sat on the steps. And what are they doing? They are cleaning some pebbles. So look here, in the picture it is seen they are cleaning some pebbles. We all know the meaning of pebbles means small and smooth stones. I repeat, the meaning of pebbles is small and smooth stones. Suddenly they heard a loud sound. Thought. What is the loud sound? Loud sound is about the falling of a coconut. It is thought. That means the sound. They looked up to see what it was. A large green coconut had fallen from the tree. So look here, what is it? It was a large green coconut had fallen from the tree near their house. Ravi looked at that green coconut. Said to Anush, "Why is it so heavy?" asked Ravi, lifting it up. That means when Ravi lifted it up, he felt that it was very heavy. So look at the picture. Ravi lifted the green coconut. Ravi lifted the green coconut and he felt that it was so heavy. Now look here. It is filled with water inside, said Anush with a smile. The water is very sweet to drink. The water is very sweet to drink. We all know. That means the green coconut water. Let's ask grandma to help us, said Ravi. Ravi and Anush carried the coconut into the house to their grandmother. That means both of them, that means Ravi and Anush, carried the coconut into the house to their grandmother. They gave her the coconut and told her, "Please, could you break open this coconut for us, Grandma? We want to drink the sweet water inside." So where did you get this young coconut or green coconut? She asked Anush. So in this connection, I want to show you a picture. So look at the third picture. That means Ravi and Anush carried the green coconut to her grandmother. So look at the session. Look here. It is very clear. Okay. Ravi and Anush carried the green coconut to her grandmother. So this session is done. We will go to next page. It fell from the tree while we were cleaning our pebbles. That means now whenever it is seen that their grandmother asking a question, then where did they get this one? They are telling that it fell from the tree while we were cleaning our pebbles. Anush replied, grandma carefully cut off the top with a knife. So look here, Anush replied, grandmother carefully cut off the top with a knife. She poured the water into the glasses. So look at the meaning poured. Poured means made water flow into the hollow. I repeat, poured means made water flow into the hollow, into the two glasses. The boys drank the sweet cooled water. So look here, the boys, what did they do? The boys drank the sweet cooled water. It tastes very nice. So look here, how was it? It tastes very nice. The boys watched grandma as she cut the coconut into two halves. Okay, now below, don't you want to taste the fleshy part of the coconut? Here grandma is telling them, don't you want to taste the fleshy part of the coconut? Asked grandmother. We would love to. That means yes, they would love to eat the fleshy part. We all know that the meaning of fleshy part is very smooth. Okay, fleshy means thick and soft things of a green coconut. So look here, the meaning of fleshy means thick and soft part of a green coconut. Part of the green, asked grandma. We would love to eat them. Okay, they cried. That means they shouted. Is the coconut a fruit or a nut, grandmother? That means now they are telling that, is the coconut a fruit or a nut? Asked Robbie. The coconut has a name like a nut. So look here, the coconut has a name like a nut and it looks like a fruit. It looks like a fruit, but it is actually a seed. So it is a fruit, a nut and a seed. So look here grandma is telling them that a green coconut is a fruit, a nut and a seed. So look at the fleshy part. That means in the picture we see that grandma is so look here, grandma is working something. That means grandma is putting out the fleshy part of the green coconut. So last picture, that means grandma is putting out the fleshy part of the green coconut. Below, the boys were surprised. The boys were surprised to drink the green coconut water. They decided to ask the same questions in the class next day. That means they have decided to ask the same questions in the class the next day. They wanted to see how many of their friends knew what a coconut was, a fruit, a nut or a seed. Yes, so look, that means they decided that they would ask the questions. That means whether a green coconut would be a fruit, nut or a seed. These are the reading sessions. Now dear students, our reading session is done. Okay, now we will go to our question sessions. It is make sentence. What is it? It is make sentence. Now give your attention. Make meaningful sentences with the following words. Number one, surprise. Number one, surprise. So look at the make meaningful sentences. The boys were surprised to know that the coconut is a seed. So look here the sentences. Surprise. The boys were surprised to know that the coconut is a seed. Number two, beach. What is it? Beach. Anuj and Ravi lived in a house near the beach. So look here, number two, Anuj and Ravi lived in a house near the beach. Number three, last make sentence, it is decide. What is it? Decide. The boys decided to ask their friends about the coconut. So look again, decide, make sentence. The boys decided to ask their friends about the green coconut. Dear students, I have given here three make sentence. Okay, you can write this one or you can prepare yourself, but you have to write. Dear students, I am telling again, I have given here 3 make sentence. Okay, you can write these 3 sentences, or you yourself can prepare these meaningful sentences, but you have to ensure that you are writing grammatically correct sentences. Now look at the end of our board. It is unit, so look here, it is SW. What is it? Homework, SW. Unit 9, make sentences. What is it? Unit 9, make sentences. Dear students, look here, 1, 2, 3. So make meaningful sentences with the following words. Okay, in your SW copy you will write this one at first. Make meaningful sentences with the following words. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These 3 are your SW. These 3 are your SW. My dear students, finally I hope that all of you have understood this interesting lesson, that means unit 9, the coconut. Keep practicing and read the text again and again so that you can understand each and every question properly, and do your homework and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.